How to set up sleep timer on YouTube mobile app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To access this feature, you must be YouTube Premium member. To access that, launch YouTube app on your device. Log into your account. Head towards profile at bottom right corner. Tap settings at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Under the Settings section, select Try Experimental New Features. From this section, you can tap Get Premium button and be a premium member. Or else, if you find the option of Sleep Timer, tap on Try It Now. And after that, you need to simply launch any video that you want to watch. Now tap gear icon at top right corner of this video. Now you will see the option of Sleep Timer. Select that. Now here are different time durations. You can select any one. Suppose 10 minutes, 15 or up to 1 hour. After you enable it, you will see sleep timer at bottom of the screen on a small window. So that is how we successfully set up sleep timer on YouTube mobile app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.